Good morning guys, welcome back for another video. Service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can service reset an Audi A3. It's the 2019 model. It's a new model with a touchscreen display over here, and we did an oil change for the car, and I'm going to show you how you can reset this manually. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, support us to make more videos, and give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. We have more than 150 different cars on our channel, so if you like, you can watch them all. Okay, let's start with this one. This is an Audi A3 2019 model, and we did an oil change. I'm going to show you how you can reset this. The oil change of this car isn't resetted by the steering wheel or the odometer, but it's resetted by the multimedia area, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. Okay, first of all, you have to press the home button. Once you are there, you have to go to car. Once you are here, you see settings and service over here. Press this one, scroll down for service intervals, and then press reset, yes, and the service interval is, the oil change is reset. That was it. I hope you enjoyed our video. Subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.